What's up guys, my name is Felix and today we're making
Minecraft
cake!
Alrighty, so to start off with this recipe, we're going to choose one of our favorite box cake mixes.
You can choose any of the following. Except for you, Betty!
Shut your pickle chin up!
Then all you're going to do is put your batter in some square inch pans and bake. After that's done baking, we're going to lay both our cakes out on a flat surface to make it nice and leveled.
Meanwhile,
while your cake's getting cooled down and flattened out, let's get started on that frosting. So for this buttercream frosting, what we're going to need is 4 sticks of butter. We're then going to stir it up with a rubber spatula and make it nice and creamy. Next, we're going to add a 32-ounce bag of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of milk. We're then going to give a little stir with our rubber spatula to prevent that powdered sugar from flying everywhere. Then we'll grab our handy dandy hand mixer and mix it up until those butter chunks are gone. You know your frosting's ready.
If it looks a little something like this.
oh yeah.
Now here comes the fun part. Decorating! So first thing we're going to do is get a big giant scoop of that frosting and spread it across that cake. All we're really trying to do here is make it nice and even. Then we're going to grab the other cake square and place it right on top of the frosting, upside down. After you place the cake, you're going to put some more frosting on top and spread it across. After the top of your cake is done, you're going to want to spread the frosting to the sides. Also, what we're trying to do here is not go all the way down, but to this mark right here.
Baba Bowie.
We're then going to smooth out those edges and put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes. When your frosting's all nice and cold, we're going to start cutting. So the first thing we're going to do is cut a straight line across your frosting. We're then going to outline 2 rectangles on our cake to get that Minecraft look.
Sin City was a maybe.
After doing so, we're going to scrape off those rectangles and scrape off all those brown edges off the cake. After you're done cutting those edges, we're going to prepare for those toppings. So what we're going to do here is cut out some small squares from a cardboard box or a honey bun box and lay it out on our cake. I used about 6 small squares and 4 big squares. It's starting to look like a Minecraft cake. We're then going to grab 8 ounces of fondant and start rolling that baby out. Then we're going to trace out each cutout square one at a time with a butter knife and place it back on that cake. After you're done, add a little pizzazz and it should look a little something like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to play some Minecraft. Peace!